Yassas! Greetings from Greece.
We are Sara and Joni, and together we live full-time in this camper van. And this episode, it's another budget video. Yay! We go through our cost living here in Greece. Is Greece expensive or not? Let's figure out.
So for the groceries we spent 418 euros per month on average.
And it's our biggest cost.
We don't pinch pennies when we are buying food. We buy health things and maybe sometimes those vegetables that are not like in a season. So they are quite expensive. And all the milk products, feta cheese and those we spend a lot of money.
But vegetables and fruits are kind of cheap here in Greece, so it's good news for us. Meat and dairy is expensive, so we try to avoid those.
But still, a bit over 400 euros for groceries.
If we compare prices here in Greece to Spain, we did spend only 300 euros on groceries in Spain, so in that way, Greek seems kind of expensive.
But here's a couple of years of high inflation, so that also affects on the prices.
Our second
biggest cost is
this
the van.
van itself. So everything outdoor related stuff goes to this category.
So we have made the back brakes, the pads and things here, and also the glow blocks.
And we buy the new
tires.
Exactly.
And also we fix our AC.
Yeah.
So there's always something to fix in your van, so it accumulates. We have averaged 177 euros per month for the van. And in Spain and in past 4 years it has been something around 160 euros.
Yeah.
So our budget was a bit over 100 euros. In that sense it was too little. Our van is 10-year old, so there is always something to fix.
Then our third biggest cost living this lifestyle is fuel, so diesel.
135 euros, and it basically we drive something around 800 kilometers per month, so not that much.
Yeah,
that includes also driving here to Greece from Finland, which
is the most expensive part. But good news, when you are in Greece you can live by the budget, but driving here is so expensive.
So it's 3,700 kilometers from our plot to here in Greece.
And diesel cost here 1.6 euros per liter, so it's a pricier side.
Yeah. And for the camp fees, we did spend 0 euros.
3.99 because we like to free camp, and in Greece it's very possible.
Yes.
When you are paying attention.
Yeah, we didn't go any campsites. We have a budget for 20 euros for the campsite, so we can go like 1 day per month for the campsite in our budget. But we haven't had any reason to go.
Yeah.
Maybe sometimes if we are both really sick or something, we go there. But otherwise, we have been really pleased with the wild camping site.
Yeah, and we have updated our van that way that we can live totally off the grid, so we don't even have to go to campsite for the electricity.
And last trip when we were in Greece, only reason that we went to the campsite was electricity. Yeah. Because we are editing these videos, we use computers, we use our projector watching movies, so everything takes power. When it's middle of winter, there ain't that much solar. But now our system is much better than back then.
And in Greece during the off-season, during winter, not many campsites are even open, and some of these campsites can be kind of Spartanic, so there's not hot water and everything is pretty run down, and they can still be quite expensive, so we feel like they are not very worth of the money. Internet, we have spent 26 euros per month internet average.
Yeah, we have a Finnish SIM cards, which cost us like 4 euros. So 22 euros we have used for prepaids. We always buy local prepaid. For example, in Greece, Vodafone, on average, we have paid like, I think, 16 euros per month for unlimited internet.
We try to look for sales and half the price offers. And usually it works wonders. I think this winter there has been a lot of more
good deals. For example, last winter we paid average of 26 euros per month for the internet, and this winter I think 11 euros, because Vodafone had really good offers throughout the winter.
Yeah.
And for the insurance, it's a must, because we have only insurance in our van. It's a Casco insurance, so it includes everything inside here, and also towing and all around Europe, even
Full
beyond
coverage.
Europe, full coverage. It's 52 euros per month.
Not bad.
So it's 600 euros per year, and I think we save something around 80 euros or 100 euros by putting our van outside of the road network.
When we are not driving, so it saves so much money.
It's a possibility at least in Sweden and in Finland.
Loophole
To get your van out of the road when you are not driving, and then you don't pay for the insurance or taxes for your van.
Lucky us.
Clothing. Yes, your clothes wear out.
Unfortunately.
And you have to buy new clothes. This was given me by my friend in Serbia.
For $3.99, thank you.
But 40 euros we have paid for average on the clothing per month.
I think we bought some underwear and socks, and clothes are here kind of expensive in Greece.
Yeah. You can go to the China store, but I don't want to buy...
the bad quality.
Yeah, so we are always buying better quality, and still we are spending only 14 euros per month. And when you are in Southern Europe, you don't use that much clothing. If you compare to Finland, where you have to have like 3 layers.
Boots and winter jackets and cardigans and mittens and hats. And now it's just t-shirts every day.
So clothing budget is going down when we are spending more time here in
Less
South.
clothes, less money spending. I love it.
For the entertainment, we have spent 30 euros.
Per month. And it's kind of high if you think like, what? You guys are never entertaining yourselves.
But we bought a projector to watch movies, so the main part of the entertainment budget went there.
Yeah, and money well spent, because it has been cold and rainy, and we like to snuggle up in the bed section and binge watch some series and movies.
Couple of entrance fees and those kind of things we have paid from that, but most part of that budget has gone to projector.
Yeah. Snacks. We do eat snacks in the top of 2 meals that we eat. Especially driving day snacks.
Yeah, so we have this category so we can see how much we spend to the snacks. Because if you don't cover it, then it might be really high. This is some cost that you don't really need, but you want to buy some snacks from the shop.
Yeah, and our average is 16 euros per month. And when we started putting our snacks down, our snack category went down.
Yeah, it was 40 euros, almost 40 euros in Finland, and now it's 16 euros.
Yeah, so it's really eye-opening.
To see how much you spend for chips and candy. And
everything unhealthy.
Yeah. It has been really cold this winter here in Greece, but last winter was really warm. So we have spent 22 euros for the LPG for heating the van. We have set the thermostat in our van for
16 degrees.
But it's really at 20.
Yeah.
So it's a 20 here inside.
All the time.
All the time.
Every day.
So we don't pinch pennies on that.
Yeah, we like the van to be cozy and warm place.
So still we have spent 22 euros. And that includes also cooking and also running our fridge. Our fridge is 11 kilos or 22 liters, so it's actually half of that budget goes to the fridge running it. 11 euros and 11 euros per month for heating and cooking.
That's not much, because it feels so luxurious to be in a warm van.
Yeah, we have always wanted this van to be home-like, just like home, but on wheels. So we had heating in our home, and we don't put heating off during the night time or something. It's always on, so it's always on this van.
Exactly.
And the cost is so low, so
why bother? And we do have a refillable LPG tanks, and it's so easy to fill the refillable gas tanks in every gas station, and LPG cost €1 per liter here in Greece. So it's kind of cheap.
For the health, we have used €18. Most of it was my visit on a doctor and getting the prescriptions, and for Sarah's painkillers.
Yeah, I bought some painkillers, yeah.
The doctor here in Greece was €0, but the medicines are, I think, average priced here in Greece.
Yeah, so if we need to go to doctors, we don't have a health insurance, we just pay everything out of our pockets.
So that's why we have a health budget.
Yeah.
So we can monitor how much money we have spent there.
Yeah.
So we can compare how much we save by not buying an insurance. So €1,000 per year. So now we have saved €4,000 almost.
Yeah. And Europe is full of good doctors and healthcare is here really good. So we feel like we are paying double if we do that. Household items. So everything we buy here inside of this living compartment.
For example, these kind of things. So little things that you always wear out in your home. That is not like a installed to the van, but something that is
mandatory when you are living. For example, we have bought a new
pillows, sheets.
Yeah, they wear out. So our average is €18 per month for household items. Water.
It's a zero, nada, nothing.
You can find good
potable water and good tasting potable water all around the Balkans.
Yeah.
So we haven't actually bothered to buy any water.
Yeah.
I think we're gonna spend some money on water, but it's for citric acid, so we can clean up the tank.
We use our water tank for drinking the water from our water tap, and we hate to see those plastic bottles all around the nature and beaches, so it's kind of awful to buy bottled water because we can find those fresh
good tasting water everywhere.
Springs, yeah. So we are not going to the bottle route.
The shit section. Yeah, our toilet. We have spent €1.8 per month on average on our toilet.
We did renovate our bathroom like 3 years ago in France, and now we have a composting toilet. So we empty our composting toilet like
every 3 months, I think. And €1.8 has gone to the vinegar that we use to flush the pee, and also the
cocoa bricks,
coconut husk.
The substance that we use where we poop.
Yeah.
Because it takes the moisture out and it looks similar to your poop, so you don't see the discoloring and all these things. And it's a byproduct of the coconut, so even it comes from the Asia, I think it's kind of environmentally friendly in that sense.
Yes, but €1.8, basically nothing.
Yeah.
And
laundry.
You have to wash laundry, and it's €10 on this trip for the past 2 years per month.
It's hard to find laundry places in Greece, self-service places. They are totally non-existent outside of the bigger cities. We have done quite a lot of hand laundry, but we try to go to the real laundry place once a month.
I think 10% of our laundry we have made by hand and 90% in a laundromat.
Yeah.
But again, €10. That 10% we have made a hand laundry is because we didn't want to leave the place.
Beautiful spot
to go do the laundry because we are out of our clothes. So in budget sense, using laundry is really cost efficient.
Parking cost on average we have spent
13 cents
per month.
Yeah, it was one day when we went to bigger city and we want to go
in northern Greece
to the post office and
to send a Vantastic sticker. So imagine that we had to pay for the parking to send the sticker. So our sticker business is kind of doomed.
But yeah, otherwise we haven't been on bigger cities, and here in Greece there ain't paid parking that much.
No.
It's really rare. And for the toll roads, we have paid €4.
There is a lot of toll roads in Greece.
And they are quite expensive. But we have used only one section because we saved like 1.5 hours by paying that.
Yeah. But you can always choose the non-toll road too.
Yeah, always beside that road goes non-toll road.
Yeah.
So it takes bit more time, but not that much.
Yeah. If your vehicle is over 3.5 ton, it's forbidden to use those non-toll roads, but we have seen everybody does it, and I think no one cares.
This time we used ferries also. We are going to the Evi Island, and we have averaged €6 per month. So I think it was €40 for the Evi Island, and also this includes the ferry from Finland to Estonia.
Yeah.
There is islands in Greece. We also pondered going also to Crete, which is €200 one way, but maybe next time.
Yeah, next time when we are here.
Eating out.
The fun part.
Euros. We go Euros maybe once or 2 times a month.
Yeah.
Go eating out. So we have averaged €14 per month for eating out.
Yeah, and I think Greek restaurants, especially those tavernas, they are really well priced.
Yeah.
You get big portions and the food is good and fresh, and I think Greece is one of the European countries where it's
you get bang for your buck when
exactly
you go to a restaurant.
Where it's nice to go to.
And you know that every time you get good food.
This was our monthly cost.
Our budget for monthly cost was €1,200 when we started the trip. We were thinking about that we will be little bit over it. So it was kind of a tight budget in our minds.
Mm-hmm.
But
still we could get everything we need. Drum roll! And the total is €1,027 per month. So we went under our budget, and that makes us so happy.
Thank you for watching our videos and commenting, and please subscribe to our channel. It helps a lot.
Yeah. And sorry for making this many budget videos in a row, but now I'm sick and we couldn't move from this spot either. So maybe next week we are somewhere else.
Yeah, this is the same place.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.